So I finished putting all the pieces together for my Alexa-enabled chicken coop door opener. So I thought I'd shoot and show what I got. I got a Wi-Fi switch here that's Alexa-enabled. I've got a forward reverse switch that just reverses the polarity to a 12-volt motor. Then I'm using a 12-volt, 12-inch linear actuator. And then I've got 2 aluminum rails and an aluminum door. And when I say, Alexa, open chickens, switch kicks on, actuator draws in. Takes about 25 or 26 seconds for it to open completely. And then once I'm ready for it to close, when it's time for them to close at night, and this can be programmed, Alexa, close chickens. It'll go the other way and it'll reverse it. The motor's built in with electronic limit switches, so once it gets to the end of its reach, it stops.